Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You first validate prerequisites. Open Device Manager and confirm a Bluetooth radio exists, then check Windows Update for pending drivers. Make sure airplane mode is off and location permission enabled for scanning. You should also power cycle the target device and place it in pairing mode. Proximity matters. Once done, use settings Bluetooth and devices to toggle Bluetooth off and on to force a fresh scan. This quick start clears simple state issues before deeper troubleshooting. Now tackle drivers and services. In Device Manager, update the Bluetooth adapter driver and firmware. If problems started after an update, roll back the driver. Next, open Services, restart Bluetooth support service, and set its startup to automatic so Windows manages connections reliably. Run settings Troubleshoot Bluetooth to apply automated fixes, and if a device persists as problematic, remove it and repair from Bluetooth and devices. These steps fix driver conflicts. Hung service. Finish with advanced recovery. Perform a network reset to restore Bluetooth networking stacks. Reboot afterward. If Bluetooth is still absent, check BIOS or UEFI settings to ensure integrated wireless or Bluetooth is enabled, because firmware can disable the adapter. For persistent hardware suspicion, test with a known working USB Bluetooth dongle to isolate a failed internal module. If nothing works, a final troubleshooting tip. Collect Device Manager error codes and event log entries before contacting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.